Hi Disney friends, welcome back. Happy Saturday, happy weekend. We are going to open a couple packs and see if we get an enchanted card or at least hopefully sometime an iconic card, but that is wishful thinking. So here we go. My son is currently playing Animal Crossing right now, so see what we could get. You can fly, Ursula, Hidden Cove, Tiana, I cannot hold these cards in one hand, Dolores, Anna, Took Took, Ursula, Judy Hopps. Look at this family, Tinkerbell. Ooh, I believe this is either an epic card or I could just be thinking it is, and it's probably just a regular foiled card. Okay, open a couple more. My dog's in the background. If you can hear them, maybe, maybe not. We're using a new mic today. Max Goof, Pluto, Enchantress, I can't say that, Benja, Belle, Coconut Basket, 4 dozen eggs, Magic Mirror, Juliet, Rafiki, ooh, Rafiki, never seen that one, Cusco, and we have a epic Goofy, which we already have, but happy to have 2, and one more pack. This is the last booster pack in our Trove box, our fabled Trove box. So are we gonna get something? Are we at least gonna get an enchanted card? We'll see. Moana, Heal What Has Been Hurt, Verona, Eeyore, Cusco, Flounder, Took Took, Signed Contract. If I find them, I flatten them. Moana, Max Goof, and an epic Mickey Mouse. Okay. Well, that's the last of the Trove box, Fable Trove box. Thanks for watching.